I can bake, use oven. Ooh, here we go. I can make an apple dumpling. I can make crab cakes, garlic bread, sweet roll, lavender dumpling, potato bread. So you can't make leek, cheesy leek crostata, but that's in the recipe book that we're gonna make. We're coming home late at night from work, and we're gonna make this rye pie dough, okay? From our Skyrim Cookbook here, because we're actually going to make a leek and cheese crostata. Leek and cheese crostata, page 61. The rye pie dough is gonna look like, let's see, this. This is what the rye pie dough is gonna look like. So we're gonna make that real quick, I guess. Okay, okay. We're going to put a cup each of all-purpose flour and whole wheat flour because I don't have rye flour. That's okay. And if you see any ants, I'm sorry and I do apologize. Look at this beautiful wheat flour. It's a little more than a cup of wheat flour. Okay. There's that. And then the salt and the Stormcloak seasoning. Stormcloak seasoning. Okay. I think it's gonna taste really good, so I'm gonna use like two of those, and then just half a teaspoon of salt. It says you might want to make sure your hands are clean. So I'm literally going to take my butter and I'm just going to start putting it in the mix here, and I'm going to use my hands to get it all mixed up. It's actually 6 tablespoons of butter. It says rub in the butter until you get the consistency like breadcrumbs. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. 6 tablespoons of butter. Is that all I'm supposed to use? I could have used my food processor for this, but they didn't have food processors in Skyrim. Breadcrumb-like consistency. Got it? Can we see? That's what we're going for. It just says add water to form dough. So we're going to actually add more water, it looks like, because it's not that doughy. Do I need to make that more? So it says form into a disc and then refrigerate, wrapped in plastic. So here's my disc going. Oh, what's up, Friday? Hi, honey. It's like a big hamburger patty. How about that? I'm going to wrap it in plastic, all right? Until I'm ready to use it. Let's get the very ends of them off. Oh, the recipe only calls for 2 leeks anyway. I don't know, maybe I'll just make it 3. 3 large leeks. Planning on it being round, so it's all right. We got this. This is whole wheat flour, but that's okay. This is why it's fun to play this game, and to slowly walk from one end to another. There's a trick. You can fold everything over in half, right? There. Fold it back out. See? We're setting this to the side while we fix up our leeks. Preheat oven also, and melt the butter. Add leeks and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and add our leeks. We're going to use all of the leeks because I like onion, and that's what they should taste like. There's my, oh. This is the thickening agent, I believe. And it says slowly pour in the cream. Now I said I don't have cream, so I've got this whole milk. Okay. I did half a cup of milk. Remove from heat and stir in the cheddar or gruyere cheese. So I'm going to take the heat off. There's my cup of cheese. This is what it's supposed to look like. Okay. The oven is now preheated. We've got our ball of cheesy goodness. A little pepper, a little salt. It's going to be so delicious. It's so cheesy. Oh boy. Parmesan. I'm going to start with this side right here. And then I'm going to go like that. And like that. And just rustic, okay? Just rustic. That's good. Look at that. It's crostata. Okay, let's see how it goes. I'll show you the after. Do one thing every day that scares your family. Let me take this guy out. This looks about done to me. Nice. Crostata. I'm gonna take some photos now. Bye.